Hey, what's up, guys? I'm gonna give up on trying to run cheese side by side. I did it. The audio and picture were lagging. I know I could edit it, but why? It's not really needed. I thought it looked cool on other people's stuff, but it didn't look that great on mine anyways. And I'm just doing Python tutorials, so it'll work. In this tutorial, we're just gonna make a simple Python script. We're gonna print off hello world in the shell of Python. So to start up the Python shell, just type in Python in the terminal. If you don't know where terminal is, just go to applications right there. That's terminal. And then all we're gonna do is print off a string, and anything in quotes is pretty much a string. So just pretty much an alignment text. Well, arrangement, I guess. So we're gonna say hello world like every other tutorial, and I put some crazy syntax in there, but it doesn't matter. And we're also gonna, you can do it this way. You can also do it with triple quotes if you really want. I don't know the advantage of that really, but whatever. Control Z to exit. That'll stop the process. You can also type in like exit like that to exit the shell. We'll go back to command line. OS is the list contents of the directory, and you start in the home directory. Let's go to the desktop. Now what we're gonna do is just make a new directory, and we're gonna call it Python tutorials. Make sure you have a / or else it's gonna make two directories. It's gonna make Python and tutorials. I'm just gonna demonstrate that for some people. See, it just made Python and tutorials, but I'm just gonna remove those. Python and then tutorials, and voila, they're gone. Let's go into the Python tutorial directory we made. Clear screen, and now let's make a basic Python script. Hello world.py. What I'm going to do is we're just going to say print off the string hello world, but I'm also going to add raw input afterwards, because I am going to show the GUI way to execute a lot of this stuff, and I'll be copying the code when I copied over to a shell script. So I'm going to show you guys how to run Python code within a shell script. So now all you gotta do to execute your Python script is type in Python and then whatever the script is called. So just ran our file. It did a print statement, and now it's gonna ask for input, which we added at the end. It's actually not gonna give us an error. If we put input, it would be an error, but we just put raw input, so it's fine. Now what we're gonna do is let's go to the GUI. Here's the directory we made on the desktop, and now what we're gonna do is copy this over to a shell script. Hello world.sh. And then to make that executable, I also need to add two things. You need to know where the directory of Python is. So type in where is and then Python. I'm also gonna grep Python. You don't need to put grep Python. I just want it to be highlighted. It's easier for me to read that way. I have a problem tracking and stuff like that. So we're gonna add that directory to top of our shell script. Now what we're gonna do is add the pound symbol and exclamation mark. This will tell the shell script, hey, you got called to Python. as the interpreter, and then rather than running bash through this code, it's going to run Python. Now what we're going to do is we save that out, so we're going to do chmod 777 hello world.sh, and that will make it executable. You can do it like that, and the reason we added that in part is so we can go like that and just double click on it and it'll open up terminal. This will not work if you make Python executable. You can do it in the GUI instead of doing chmod. You can just hit that check mark, but it will not work in just Python because I don't know, you have to do it as a shell script and then put the header on there. The last thing I'm going to show for this tutorial is how to make a Python script that will execute another Python script, which seems pointless, but it's actually useful, just to tell you guys. So I'm going to call that execute and then .py, and then we're just going to make it go execute file. It might be file xcode, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to troubleshoot it if it's not this way. .py. I'm going to save that out. I'm going to go back into terminal. Execute exec.py. Yeah, I did it wrong, I think. Oh, I didn't add the O. My bad. Hello world. Apparently I don't know how to spell hello. Okay. That looks good. Alright, so now it executed the script. And we're good. I hope this tutorial helps. Comment, tell me if I'm going too fast, too slow, what I need to re-elaborate on, what's good, what are some ideas that you want for me to do. Just stuff like that. I like to see people's reactions. Oh, I'm running cheese, which I didn't want to do, but I did anyways, because I forgot to close it. Yeah, this is going to be weird. I hope it encodes.